आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं आरपी यादव, फर्स्ट क्लास साइंस मैनेजर, जय एजुकेशन गाइड में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम 12th नेशनल सेफ्टी कॉन्फ्रेंस के कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन पर चर्चा करेंगे, जो कि 28-29 जनवरी 2020 को दिल्ली में हुआ था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब्जेक्ट was not included in agenda items of 12th National Safety Conference? Option A, mechanical safety recent trends. Option B, role of IT in mining. Option C, occupational safety and health issues of contractual workers. Option D, status of dust control measures, prevalence of pneumoconiosis and silicosis. इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन ए, मैकेनिकल सेफ्टी रिसेंट ट्रेंड्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इन विच सर्कुलर द डिटेल रिकमेंडेशन ऑन 12th सेफ्टी कॉन्फ्रेंस आर गिवेन? ऑप्शन ए, सर्कुलर नंबर 2 2020। ऑप्शन बी, सर्कुलर नंबर 4 2020। ऑप्शन सी, सर्कुलर नंबर 6 2020। ऑप्शन डी, सर्कुलर नंबर 8 2020। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, सर्कुलर नंबर 8 2020। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what target is fixed on arrangement of transport of men in mines where long and arduous travel is involved? Option A, 10% every year. Option B, 20% every year. Option C, 30% every year. Option D, 50% every year. इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी, 20% every years। अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इन केस ऑफ स्मॉल माइंस स्पेशली फॉर एस्बेस्टस, मैग्नीज, माइका, व्हाट रिकमेंडेशन हैज बीन मेड फॉर क्रिएशन ऑफ OHS, occupational health surveillance services? Option A, to create a special department on OHS. Option B, association of small mines create facilities for OHS. Option C, available dispensary can act as OHS center. Option D, OHS of one mine can be used for another mine. इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी, एसोसिएशन ऑफ स्मॉल माइंस क्रिएट फैसिलिटी फॉर OHS, occupational health surveillance. Question number 5, what is the recommendation for coal companies on risk of fire from 12th National Safety Conference? Option A, shall rank the coal mines on scientific basis. Option B, shall record the incidence of fire. Option C, all staff concerned shall be trained. Option D, no operation shall be made if it is susceptible to fire. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, shall rank the coal mines on scientific basis। अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, what condition has been imposed on providing lease to unorganized stone quarries out of recommendations from 12th National Safety Conference? Option A, establishment of OHS system prior to grant of lease. Option B, framing of SMP with the application. Option C, whole hillock should be given as single lease. Option D, dump profile should be scientifically made. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, whole hillock should be given as single lease। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, in respect of stone quarries at hillock, which of the following working conditions is recommended? Option A, development should be made top to downwards. Option B, development should be made from bottom with approach road to top. Option C, development of proper dust prevention system. Option D, provision of outreach activities as a part of CSR. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, डेवलपमेंट शुड बी मेड फ्रॉम टॉप टू डाउनवर्ड्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, In order to ensure uniformity in granting lease by the state government, what recommendations has been proposed in the 12th National Safety Conference? Option A. Uniformity should be maintained to grant lease as per the capital. Option B. Uniformity should be maintained by following model document prepared by DGMS. Option C. Everybody must participate in the auction to get the grant. Option D. All bidders should have proper technical knowledge in mining operation. इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी, यूनिफॉर्मिटी शुड बी मेंटेन्ड बाय फॉलोइंग मॉडल डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिपेयर्ड बाय DGMS. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. अपार्ट फ्रॉम लीज, who is should get a copy of the lease document as per the recommendations? Option A. IBM. Option B. DGMS. Option C. Ministry. Option D. State Pollution Board. इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी, DGMS. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Which of the below mentioned deviation has been noticed in the conference during grant of lease by state? Option A. Lease have been granted in close proximity of inhabited area. Option B. Lease have been granted in close proximity of inhabited area and within 45 meter of railway, highway, public works, etc. Option C. Lease have been granted without looking at technical know-how of the bidders. Option D. Extreme delay has taken place in disbursing leases. इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी, leases have been granted in close proximity of inhabited area and within 45 meter of railway, highway, public work, etc.